Good morning, sweetie. Time to wake up. Good morning, Mom. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. Great. Let's brush your teeth. Come on, let's go to the bathroom. Okay, Mommy. Brush, brush, brush. Nice and clean teeth. All clean, Mom. Good job. Now let's wash your face. Splash, splash, splash. Very good. Now, time for breakfast. Let's go to the kitchen. Yay! I'm hungry. Here's your milk and bread. Eat slowly. Thank you, Mommy. You're welcome, my dear. After breakfast, we'll play. Playtime! Yay! Let's play with your toys. Can you bring your ball? Yes, here's my ball. Good job. Let's roll it to Mommy. Roll, roll, roll. Wow, you did it! You're so smart. Thank you, Mommy. Now, let's clean up the toys. Put them in the box. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All done. Perfect. Time to rest now. Good night, Mommy. Good night, my love. Sweet dreams.